Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install the Fluent Forms widget in Elementor. This is a powerful way to create and manage forms on your WordPress site, giving you complete control over contact forms, surveys, and lead generation directly within your page builder. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser and navigate to your website's admin login page. Enter your credentials to access the back end of your site. This is where you'll manage all plugins, themes, and content for your WordPress installation. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here you'll find the main navigation menu for your site. Locate and click on Plugins to expand the submenu. From there, click on Add Plugin or Add New Plugin depending on your WordPress version. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can browse, search, and install new functionality for your site. Now you're on the plugin installation page and you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type Fluent Forms into the search field. As you type, WordPress will automatically filter the available plugins to show you relevant results. You should see Fluent Forms appear near the top of the results, typically with its distinctive icon and description highlighting its form building capabilities. When you've located Fluent Forms in the search results, you'll see an Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click on this button. WordPress will now download and install the plugin onto your site. You might notice a brief loading animation as this process happens, so just give it a moment to complete. The installation typically takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to an Activate button. This is your next step. Click on Activate to enable Fluent Forms on your WordPress site. Activating the plugin makes all its features and functionality available for use within your Elementor page builder and throughout your site. After activation, Fluent Forms is now fully integrated into your WordPress installation and ready to use with Elementor. You'll be able to create custom forms using Fluent Forms intuitive builder and then insert them into any Elementor page using the dedicated widget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.